डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम क्वेश्चन करेंगे कन्वर्जन ऑफ सॉलिड्स फ्रॉम वन शेप टू अनदर। अगर हमारे पास कोई सॉलिड फिगर है और हम उसको मेल्ट करके रीकास्टिंग करते हैं, दूसरी फिगर बनाते हैं, तो दोनों के वॉल्यूम्स आपस में इक्वल होंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल, जब हमारे पास सिलिंड्रिकल कैंडल है, अगर वो मेल्ट करती है तो उसका हमने क्या बना दिया, एक सपोज सफियर बना दिया, तो दोनों का वॉल्यूम सेम रहेगा। सिमिलरली अगर हम लिक्विड जो है वो एक कंटेनर से दूसरे में पॉर करते हैं, सो हियर वी आर हैविंग टू कंटेनर्स, सिलिंड्रिकल कंटेनर एंड दिस हेमिस्फेयर। तो जब मैंने इसमें वाटर को दूसरे कंटेनर में शिफ्ट कर दिया, देन व्हाट विल बी देयर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस cylinder, that is volume of water in the cylinder is equal to volume of water in this hemispherical bowl, क्योंकि water जो है वो पूरा cover कर रहा है इसको up to the brim. So here today we are going to solve the questions related to conversion of solids from one shape to another. Now first question, exercise 13.3, you are given one sphere और इस स्फीयर को जब रिकास्ट किया जाता है तो उसका एक सिलेंडर बना दिया। रेडियस ऑफ दिस स्फीयर यू आर गिवन 4.2 सेंटीमीटर। ठीक है, रेडियस ऑफ दिस मेटालिक स्फीयर इज स्मॉल r 4.2 सेंटीमीटर। रेडियस ऑफ बेस ऑफ द सिलेंडर, जब इसको रिकास्ट किया और इसका सिलेंडर बना दिया तो उसका रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर है, जिसको हमने कैपिटल R से डिनोट किया है। You have to find the height of this cylinder. So let height of the cylinder is equal to h. Now what is there? After recasting, their volumes will be same. Volume of new shape, which is cylinder, is equal to volume of sphere, which implies, what is the formula for volume of cylinder? Pi r square h, because here we have taken capital R as the radius of cylinder, is equal to volume of sphere, it will be 4/3 pi small r cube, because here we have taken small r as the radius of sphere, which implies, अब यहाँ से pi दोनों तरफ है, we can cancel these, value of h will be 4/3 into small r cube over capital R square. Again substitute the values, 4/3 into small r is 4.2, 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by capital R square, which is 6, 6 into 6. So here 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42, here 0.7, again 0.7, 3, it will be 1.4. Now multiply all these numbers, ठीक है, we can write it as 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube into 2 into 4, 8, 7 cube into 8. So here 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube will be 343, because these 14 can be written as 2 into 7. Again 2 into this 4, 8. Multiply. So after 3 places, 1, 2, 3, put decimal. It will be 2.744 centimeter as it is height. So height of the cylinder is 2.744 centimeter. Next is question number 3. In this question you are given a 20 meter deep well with 7 meter diameter. ये एक well है, इसका diameter 7 meter है और height जो है और depth जो है उसको है 20 meter. So depth of the well, let it be h. It is cylindrical in shape. उसको 20 meter ले लिया हमने. It is given diameter of base, this one is 7 meter, so radius of base small r is equal to 7/2 meter. अब क्या है, इसमें से जो अर्थ निकाली, जो इसमें से सॉइल निकाली है, उसको एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे बिछाया हुआ है, and dimensions of that platform, it is rectangular platform with dimension 22 meter by 14 meter, means ये वाली length जो है इसकी, this one 22 meter and this breadth is 14 meter. Okay, इसके ऊपर हमने उस मिट्टी को बिछा दिया. We have to find the height of the platform. Let it be h1. जो height है वो आपने, this one height we have to find. So here dimensions of this platform. (22 meter by 14 meter. It means one of them is length and second is breadth. Let height of platform, जब आपने इसकी सॉइल इस पे डाली तो वो किस हाइट तक गई, h1, क्योंकि हम h यहाँ पे ले चुके हैं, so here we have taken h1. It means volume of the soil taken out of the well is equal to volume of the soil in this platform. Volume of soil taken out from well is equal to volume of soil used to make platform. Of height h1. So we can say volume of soil taken out from the well means volume of this well, that is volume of cylinder, that will be pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to volume of this platform. It is cuboidal in shape, so it will be L into B into H. So L into B into, in place of H it is H1. What is L? It is 22 meter. And what is B? It is 14 meter. So now substitute the values, which implies value of H1 is equal to pi r square h over L into B. H1, ये L into B इधर चला जाएगा, so H1 is equal to pi r square h over L into B. H1 is equal to, substitute the value of pi, 22 over 7, R is 7 over 2, again R square है तो 7 over 2 into 7 over 2 into H, height that is 20 meter, 20, this divided by L into B, so in the denominator length that is 22 into breadth 14, so we can cancel the equal term, cut कर सकते हैं इनको, 22 here, 22 here, 2, that is 10, 7, 7 to the 14. So here 2 1 are 2, 5. So it is equal to 5 over 2 meter. The value of H1 is equal to 2.5 meter. It is the answer. Now exercise 13.3 question number 5. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या गिवन है, एक सिलिंड्रिकल कंटेनर है जिसमें आइसक्रीम है, इट इज फुल ऑफ ice cream. Dimensions of cylindrical container are diameter of base 12 centimeter and the radius of the cylinder. अगर ये diameter 12 centimeter है तो radius क्या होगा? Diameter over 2 that is 6 centimeter. और क्या given है? Height of this cylindrical container is 15 centimeter जिसको हमने h से denote किया और radius को किससे denote किया? Small r से. नेक्स्ट इज इसमें से जो आइसक्रीम है वो किसमें डालनी है? कोनिकल कंटेनर, कोन्स में डालनी है. कोन की डायमेंशंस आपको क्या गिवन है? डायमीटर ऑफ बेस ऑफ द कोन दैट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. अगर डायमीटर 6 सेंटीमीटर है तो रेडियस कितना हो जाएगा? 3. डायमीटर ऑफ बेस ऑफ कोन इज 6 सेंटीमीटर, रेडियस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. आर हम पहले ले चुके हैं, दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव टेकन इट एज R1. What is the height of this cone? It is given to you as 12 centimeter and we will denote it by H1. H1 is the height of this cone. अब cone किस form में है? Cone के ऊपर जो है hemispherical type की है. One hemisphere is there on the cone, जैसे scooping करते हैं. तो इसमें hemisphere ऊपर है, तो what will be the volume of the ice cream in the cone? That will be volume of cone plus volume of this hemisphere. So let there are n numbers of cone. Which can be filled by this cylindrical container. ठीक है, which can be filled. हमने कितनी fill करी cones? That is n number of cones. ठीक है, that can be filled with. So make the equation. It means n into volume of ice cream in the cone will be equal to volume of ice cream in the cylinder. So volume of ice cream in cylinder is equal to n into volume of ice cream in cone with hemispherical top. Now volume of ice cream in the cylinder, as cylinder is full of ice cream, that will be equal to volume of cylinder. So what is the formula? Pi r square h is equal to volume of n cones, n into volume of cone, that is volume of cone होता है pi r square h over 3, but here r will be r1 square h1 over 3. It is the volume of this cone plus volume of hemispherical top, that is the volume of hemisphere. It will be 2 over 3 pi r1 cube, which implies pi r square h is equal to n into, from these two we can take pi r1 square over 3 common. Here left h1 plus here 2 into r1, which implies we can cancel these pi. So r square into h is equal to n r1 square over 3 in the bracket h1 plus 2 r1. We have to find the value of n. बाकी के सारे numbers को we can divide here. So r square h, this 3 will be multiplied here. r1 square will be divided into this multiplication h1 plus 2r1 is equal to the value of n. Now put the values of r, h, r1 and h1. 3 into value of r is 6 into 6 into h is 15 over r1 square, that is 3 into 3 in the bracket h1, that is 12. This is the h1, 12 plus 2 into r1, 2 into 3, that is 6. It is the value of n. Or we can say n is equal to, now 3 into 6 into 6 into 15 divided by 3 into 3 into 12 plus 6, 18. So how much? 3 and 3 cancelled out. 6 3s are 18. 3 5s are 15. Here 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So n is equal to 5 into 2, 10. There would be 10 number of cones.